Hi, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all fine. Today we are going to draw a rose. Let's begin from the center. Draw a line like this. Connect it like here. A love sign on top. Another love sign from this side. Another love sign from here. Lots of loves you can see. So another elliptical line like this. Extension of petals and connect it here. Okay, we'll draw some petals to the outside circle. Because the rose as a flower, it has lots of petals. That's why the drawing needs to be elaborated so that it looks nice. Okay, let's draw a stick like this to the end or the bottom part of the drawing. We can draw another stick coming from this one, crossing the previous stick here, and extend on the other side. Few leaves here, as you see. Okay, we can put the detailing of the leaves like this. For each one we can do few elaborate works so that the leaves looks more realistic. Okay, the detailing on the leaves are almost done. Few segment inside the leaves like this, as you see. Okay, we can put the color. For the leaves here. Okay, all the leaves are looks like green. Let's draw the green line inside these parallel lines here for the sticks of the rose, as you see. The rose is a very nice flower. Everybody likes it, likes the shape, likes the texture, likes the smell, the scent. That's why it's the most popular flower to all the people around the world. That's why I'm putting so much time for the depiction of the video here. Okay, we can put the shades one side and the lighter part on the other side. That's how the drawing is going to get a 3D effect. Okay. Each part of the petal is visually pleasant. Alright, the elaboration and the color on the rose is almost done. Okay, I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.